Hey chat, hey YouTube. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. Gonna do some programming. Gonna see if I can create a script to automate my Twitch VOD uploads to YouTube. I've not streamed any programming before, so I'm gonna see how this goes. Let's see if we can get some music. I hope this won't. This is DMCA free. I need to find a place. Cause there's good music from some lo-fi stuff. Try that. I hope this is okay. Well, we're gonna find out. Says it is. Okay, so that's ChatGPT already. Generate me some codes to get started with. Speed up this. Create a Python script. Let's create a repo. Let's make it public. Transfer to YouTube script. Python stuff. Python files. Public. Whatever, I don't care. One of those. I'll leave it now. Hey, read me. We will clone it. I don't want to expose everything. I mean, not that I've got to. So, not secrets, environment variables, sensitive information. We'll find out. Git repos. Clone from there into here. Is that correct? Open. Okay. New file. Main.py. Doing it in Python. Let's copy all this stuff in. So what we got? So if running this file, keep running main every 1 hour. And I could upload it and just kind of continuously run. I might just start off doing it manually. For now. And then once I know I'm happy with it, I can do that. So check for new Twitch VODs. For new ones, fetch latest VODs. Skip if already processed. If operates the path. If it's in your downloads. If it's already exists in your downloads folder. How could we do that? Should we check by date instead or something? How are we gonna have to have some way to keep track of which ones we have already uploaded, ones we haven't? So how are we gonna do that? And we'll just create some local file for now. Like a CSV or something. With all the names of the Twitch VODs. And then just whether it has been processed, all the ones that have been processed, and then you'll check that list first before processing it. Something like that. This is checking whether it's existing in your downloads folder, but I've got to keep clearing that out, so don't really want to do that. Anyway, let's just upload this, make sure it's loading fine. Commit. Added initial scripts. Okay. So maybe some CSV file. Then downloading the VOD, splitting the VOD into 30-minute segments. So I want a script that can take my latest VODs and automatically upload them into half-an-hour segments. Want to try that, see how that then does on YouTube. Instead of uploading like 6-hour or more VODs. That'll be better for YouTube performance. then I don't have to do that manually. Let's create a list of like to-dos then. Just temporarily save list of processed VOD titles to local CSV or something. Checklist of process. Check VODs. So process the VODs that are not in the CSV list. And then we may not want the YouTube VOD, videos to be exactly 30 minutes. So we have some left over. You don't want like a 3-minute YouTube video. So we'll allow it to vary between like 25 and 35 minutes maybe. So that if there's a little left over, increases them all to like 35 minutes. So all your videos are 35 minutes. We have like one less. Make them a bit more even. Decide split length. 25 minutes to 35 minutes or something. Make sure no small videos, no very short videos. You have 1 hour 31 minutes content. Don't end up with a 1-minute video. And then I only want to do this for my game videos only. Leave cooking videos for now. They're usually like under half an hour. Around half an hour, so. Split the VODs, segments. And then add the part number. Extract the right part number. Terminix part numbers from current title. How am I gonna do that? So we're gonna have a save local list. Yeah, how to do that exactly based on what we've current part number, the latest one that's been processed, it's been split. So figure that out in a minute. And upload to YouTube. Okay, let's open up the terminal.
With so many
Now,
homes on Booking.com, there are
I
so
want to test this
many
out.
ways I could book a beach house
Shall
and be
we
relaxed, Tina. Could someone bring me everything?
test it out on some other YouTube channel for now?
A ski cabin and be sporty, Tina.
I think I have a
Having to skip
second
the Black
one,
Diamond
which
and
I
do the
created
hot
ages
chocolate
ago.
run.
Which I
Or
then just
maybe
never
I'll
used.
book a villa in Italy and be Vespa,
Used it for
Tina.
editing. I think I
Do
did
have a
something
cool
similar
Onyx, I feel
actually.
cool.
Could use that
so
channel.
many holiday homes, you can book whoever you want to be. Booking.com, Booking.yeah.
We would have. Mind the ads. Okay, upload to YouTube. Using the library installed app flow from Google Auth. So Google Auth. OAuth library. Do we install these libraries? So we need a environment variable. Now, I don't want to show this. Just loading it from this is from a local.env file. Okay, can you change the script to change this script to load the configs from a local environment variable. Environment file variable file. We're doing ChatGPT. Come on. This is os.getting environment. So now I don't want to show this. Where's the shortcut to copy? What's going on? Chat. Can I just copy? Add logs, fix bugs. I can review it myself. Okay. Maybe we should add that in, automate check every hour and then deploy it on some cloud computer. So then within the hour of streaming something, it will automatically upload it. Okay, Twitch access token. I'm gonna have to get these. I do not want to share these on stream though. So can I open this up over here? Check what's up. YouTube client secret file. YouTube uses a file, Google secrets. Okay. So how does that change? Uses the .env library to load them. Comment, which is annoying. And now loading configs from local environment. Local environment file. That, and then next we want, instead of checking the parts have been uploaded, process, checking downloads folder. Can we keep a CSV or local file with processed part numbers and use that to determine the next part number? The next part numbers. Processed VODs.csv to track processed VODs instead of checking the download folder. What did you change? Including the CSV library, load processed VODs, name of the file, open, read mode, create a set. A function to save processed VOD. VOD ID. Open file in append mode. Append onto the end. The new IDs. You just move down to one line. And that too. Why? As nice as it was. Undo that. Invert block. Invert block. No other changes, right? It's just moved down to one line. I don't like that. Go back. So instead of path exists in download folder, load processed VODs, and then if VOD ID in the list of is in the list of processed VODs, skip it. Otherwise, download it and process it. This is just the latest VOD as well. It might be multiple. And then save it to the list. Okay. Seems okay for now. Now wait, there's changes as well. Now checking VOD already processed using local CSV file. Save that. Can you update this script to check for the latest? How many? Latest 10 VODs? the latest 10 VODs for now. That should be good enough. Check through. The latest 10 VODs. See if they've been processed rather than just the latest VOD. Can we check the date and time they were processed? Order the CSV? They were processed in the CSV. And ordered the CSV by date. Yeah, anything else? Let's try that. What? What is this? Can we get back to the normal thing anyway? So how is that different? Process is now an array, not a set. There we go. Timestamp when we save, when we add it to the CSV. Take the current date right now. So the ID, comma, timestamp. Sort them. By column number 1, the date. Fetch latest VODs. User ID me and first 10 instead of first 1. ID, URL, title. Again, don't change that. Don't put that into one line. Don't do that. So, latest VODs now. IDs, and then load processed VODs. Now returns that boolean list of a list of strings. What? What's this returning? Row for row and reader. And then the ID. That's the full thing, and then IDs. And then for each VOD, check it's been processed. Each of those 10. Okay, seems pretty good. So it now processes the latest 10. Checking processing the latest 10 VODs. Oh, we have more changes. What? Oh, I revert to those. Okay, save that. Readme.
Core computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Okay, can we now sure there are no very short videos by allowing some flexibility in the length videos. Sure they are all more similar. Choose them all or increase them all a little. 5 mins, 35 mins, lower or higher than this. Sure there isn't a 1 minute video when there's 1 hour 31 minutes of content. So you just calculate that. Now the script adjusts segment durations to keep them within a reasonable range, usually 25 to 35 minutes. See how ChatGPT does that. Get the video duration. Segment duration. Total duration divided by 4. Why 4? Yeah, I've not installed them yet. Do you want a place to put a new environment? I'm just gonna run this locally for now. What was the Python environment variable manager thing? Manage multiple versions. The PyNV. try ENV versions. It's only got 3.10.11. How do I do this again? Try ENV and then create a new virtual environment. Benv. Not for now, I'll do it manually. And then activate. So if I do pip list right now, list of installed stuff, bunch of stuff. It's in my global version. Right? It's 25 of pip now as well. Oh. Then that show, yeah, the source. Oh. Scripts activate. Yeah. And then list, and there's nothing inside, okay? Continue virtual environment. Then we're going to install this stuff into the... And then list what's installed, all that stuff now. Response resource status, so it should. It's in the whole giant try accept blocks. This shouldn't run. Can I create a requirements file from that? How do I do that again? Echo something. So if I run this file, python main.py, should get an error. No module named pytz from import time zone. I had pytz before, what's that? Python time zone. We're using that. instead of date time. We are using it with date time. Handling time zones. Okay. Let's install that. And Dragon. Checking for new Twitch VODs. Error. Unauthorized. Okay. Cool. User ID is empty right now. Created a segments folder. So I don't want to store them. Does it automatically clear them after? I want to just store them temporarily, upload them, and then remove them. For now, I'll just run this manually, like at the end of each day or something. But then I can just fully automate it. Leave it running on a computer. Anyway, did we grab this? "25 minutes, 35 minutes." Sub-process stop run. You changed 1800 to segment duration. So 1800 is 30 minutes. Get video duration, video path. So it downloads it, then determines the duration, and then determines how to split it based on that. Again, stop doing that. Keep it like that. So that's used here in split VOD. Total duration is then used to get segment duration. Why are we dividing by 4? Why are we dividing by 4? Shouldn't we split the videos? What happens if it's 1 hour 29? That should be split into about 3, because it's pretty close to 30. What happens if you're 6 hours? Videos. Going to. If it's 6 hours, then it should be about 12. 12 half an hours exactly. The split length is as close to 30 minutes as possible. A 6-hour VOD split exactly 12 parts of 30 minutes. I just had it splitting divided by 4. What's that? What are you doing, ChatGPT? It doesn't make sense. Explain. It's the only thing where it just didn't do anything. Let's try again. There you go. You're right. Instead of dividing by 4, we should split the video to as many 30-minute chunks as possible. Shouldn't they roughly the same length? Number of segments, round total duration divided by 30 minutes. There we go. And then you use that. So at least one. And that just rounds up or down. Number of segments. Then we divide the total duration by that number. Great. Okay. That seems better. That's the new split VOD. Places you. So we're no longer using this, min and max. No longer using those, get rid of them. Segment time is revert. What? Stop writing onto one line. Okay. Okay, that's better. We're using the library. What's the library? Wait, segments is an array. Storing the path to the file. Okay. Here. So yeah, FFmpg. Forward path, copy, segment time. So that's what we actually use to split them up. Do we not need that library? Okay, so we'll try that now, splitting odds into about 30-minute videos. Into videos of about 30 minutes in length. Save that. Okay, done that. I'm not gonna set up like a G reward or anything for this. And then game videos only. So, can I get the Twitch category? We also get the Twitch category of bot. And only split videos of categories that are not just chatting. Any just chatting videos should be uploaded as is with at the original length. So my cooking videos, just leave them alone. They're usually around half an hour anyway, so Fetch's Twitch category, the game name for each VOD. It's called the game name. Because if the category is just chatting, okay, so we update main and fetch VOD details. Got a new function. And main has been updated. Wait, instead of fetch latest VODs, we now have fetch VOD details. Yeah, that replaces that, does it? So we just grab the game name as well. ID, URL, title, and game name. If category is just chatting, I could load to YouTube straight away. Otherwise, first split it up and upload each segment. Starting at I is 0 though. It's still not doing that quite right. There might be existing parts. What we're doing next, there might be existing parts. Okay, that seems okay at first glance. Apart from that. Okay. Save that. Now, putting just gaming videos. It's gonna be this programming mod, but I'll just upload that manually. Now it's putting just gaming videos into segments, not just chatting, cooking videos. Save that. Okay, next. Determine the correct part numbers from the current title. Sure that the part numbers are correct. So there might be existing parts already uploaded in process, and we want the new part number. To want the next part numbers. Continue. If the first part of the title matches, e.g. titles of the form title, game name, part X, part 13 something. Other stuff. So I gotta make sure I name my videos consistently though. We're gonna do this because I change the name sometimes based on whether I'm playing DLC or new game. They're like the normal base name is always the same, it's always fixed. Should I make it base game part number? Then I put like DLC or other stuff like new game plus on the VOD in Stream Manager, or should I just not put the part number in Stream Manager? That's what I usually do. Just leave the VODs alone. So when I upload a nice stream, I won't put the part number in. And that VOD will be saved, and shall I just not edit the VOD? I no longer edit VODs. So I don't want to interfere with this running. And I may not know what part number I'm on. I don't know how it splits them. I'd have to constantly keep checking how it splits them. Our point is to automate this. So the titles no longer have the part numbers in them. So it'll be game name something. Game name and then other stuff. So can we ensure that the part numbers are correct? There might be existing parts already uploaded and processed. And we want the next part numbers to continue on from this. The first part of the title matches, e.g. it's for the same game. Etc. Titles of the form, game name. The VODs. Which VODs of the form? said I'll make that. Then I put pipe DLC or pipe new game. Let's do that, and then we never edit the name of the VODs after. Automate the whole of this. So I just stream. That's just running on. This script is just running on some computer in the cloud or locally, and so we'll automatically upload to YouTube. Let's show the correct names. What do you say? Looks like you got a solid workflow for downloading, splitting, and uploading to Twitch. Why do you keep? I just said. What's going on with ChatGPT? Seems in this format seems to mess up. Let's do a new chat. Oh, what's going on with that? Is that the 4.0 version? Enhance the script by checking the game name and identifying the last part number used for that game. Extract the game name from the VOD title. And check if there are already processed parts of that game. Yeah. Find the last part number used for that game and continue numbering from there. Good. Add a helper function to track the last part number. So then we want the part numbers to be saved to the file. Part numbers is checking for it in processed VODs, which is from the CSV. Yeah. Okay, but when we save processed VODs, is that saved to the, is the part number saved to the CSV? What ID? but is the part number saved to the CSV? Loaded from there. The CSV of processed pods. To the CSV with the list of processed pods. So we're loading it up from there, but yeah, I don't think we ever saved the part number. Wait, segment title. Okay. That's to YouTube, but not to the CSV file. Good point. Part number isn't currently saved to the CSV file. You can extend the CSV to store both the ID and part number. Modify save processed VODs to take the part number as well. Modify load processed VODs to load both the VOD ID and the part number. Turn a dictionary with VOD ID is the key and part number is the value. And get last part number to get the highest value. Okay. Load processed VODs. It's been updated. And save processed VODs. Get last part number for game. And then main is updated. See the changes. So that's row 0. The ID is the dictionary. Load processed VODs, and then IDs. Okay, so that is returned because it's used here. It's not. It's a dictionary though. So what is that? VOD ID. If latest VODs. Tuple list of tuple of any. Can we get some better types on this? When you do if something in dictionary, is that checking the keys? Yeah, I guess. Then last part number. Split by the pipe. Extract the game name before the pipe. Yeah. Game VODs. VOD for VOD and process VODs. It's game name matches. So find the matching ones. Processed ones already. If there are processed ones, extract and return the highest part number used. Was it return 0? I don't want the first part to be part 0. It'll be part 1. And default 0. Let's go pretend 0 here. And then I is we'll start at 0 here, but then it adds 1. So there are none. The first part will be 1. Okay. So I think that's right. If there are 4 parts, if there's just one part, this would be 1. I would be 0. So it'd be part 2. So I think it's actually correct. Okay. So, never mind. So upload to YouTube if it's just chatting. So from the cooking videos, the last part number. So just save the last part number. Don't we want to add on to the end though? Do we want to increase that by 1? We're still going to increase it by 1 though, don't we? Yeah. Length of segments would be 1. Okay, that's great, but don't we want also increase the well, but we also check for videos, cooking videos. Cooking eggs um cooking videos and just chatting. Don't need do put cooking videos and they're just chatting as well. That's what a lot of people do, rather than the actual food and drink category. So if I ever change that category, then it's great, but can we also check for cooking videos? It should be the just chatting and ensure these part numbers increase as well. Like 1. The title of the form. Yeah. So now quickly updating the part, tracking and updating part numbers. Numbers of videos. Yeah. Save that. And could also automatically add to the correct playlist. We do that. Okay, so to ensure that cooking videos are handled, going to be correctly with correct part numbers. Ensure that cooking videos are handled. Add a check to see if the title starts with cooking. The same logic for handling part numbers. Last part number. If it's like 4, returns part 4. We shouldn't increase it by 1. Shouldn't it? Save with last part number 1. Should it save cooking video? Shouldn't it load part with last part number +1 and the title's not of the right form. Part number is inserted correctly. Game name part X. Rest. Upload cooking videos. And save to the CSV. Should be incrementing up. Do we want to do that? I've been adding part numbers to cooking videos, but do we want to continue doing that? Okay, so now adding part number to cooking videos and adding +1. For titles, okay. Upload to YouTube with footpath, the title. Yeah, it's not quickly updating the title here though. Title's left unchanged. Shouldn't we be storing the category, title, the CSV? Like the game name. When we load processed fonts, we are picture for details. Then we're getting all these here. Category. We want the title. Okay, it's gonna be complicated now. Shouldn't it upload to YouTube with the new title with the part number? Ensure that the titles. The right form. And how do we ensure that get the correct part number from the CSV? Shouldn't we be storing ID, game name, part number, etc.? Date, etc. Then we use the game name. What's being stored in the CSV right now? It's the ID, part number, and date, not the game name. Do we need the game name? Game name in the CSV. The latest part for that game name. You're absolutely right. To ensure that the part numbers are quickly handled, we should store the game name in the CSV. So currently load from CSV. It's the ID is the key and part number is value. That's not enough. Stores the what ID, game name, part number, and timestamp. part numbers of game videos. There we go. Game names, everything before the first pipe. Cool. Get rid of that weird dictionary to what we had before. We now pass the game name directly to the function, so we don't need to extract it. Okay. Read and write. Wait, save. Now we're also writing the game name to file, CSV file, and then update main function. It's even longer. Game names passed. Okay. This is a lot simpler. And then instead of the title being passed, we just pass the game name. Okay. If a VOD has been processed, if so now that we're not using the dictionary, if any VOD ID is equal to row 0, full row in processed VODs, it's already been processed. Now when we save the ID, game name, and part number. Upload parts in parallel with performance, and can also record part number as processed. Record each individual part number is processed in case of failure. And record any parts that have failed to upload in a separate CSV, maybe? Instead of doing this at the end of this loop, we should do it for each individual segment in case one of them fails, one of a part of them fails, and get to try again later or something. Okay, for now it should be better. quickly now saving updating the part numbers correctly on a game by game basis. It wasn't, so just do it by IDs. And we'll save that. What else? Part numbers of the right titles of the right form. Insert the part number. We also called each individual part number segment as processed in case of failure, and called any parts that have failed to upload in the sequences. Try them again later. So they failed to even retrieve the list of VODs. Once there are 20 VODs still to be uploaded. I'm only doing the latest 10 right now, so should I not put a limit of 10 of checking the latest 10 VODs in. It gets the list of them, right? Fetch VOD details. Didn't actually download them at that point. Yeah. So just remove that limit. That'll prevent errors. Should be fine. Maybe we'll just put it up to 100. Okay, it's a bit better. 100. VODs instead of 10 VODs. So if a particular segment fails, to start uploading, splitting the VOD, we start uploading the segments, but one part may fail or something. The rest is still uploaded, so it's like half processed that VOD. So yeah, we'll create a separate CSV file, the failed parts. Record successful uploads. Log failed uploads. Load processed parts. We'll update the function. How's that different? Failed parts retry. Here we go. Save the processed part. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, let's update our environment variables as well. So I have a separate YouTube channel. Probably just test this out on there for now. So I need to get all my credentials. Need to create a Twitch app. And I need to get a client secret file from YouTube. Give this script, this app, permission to interact with Twitch, my Twitch and my YouTube. And then I'll just run this locally for now. So at the end of each day, I'll just run the script python main.py. That's the goal right now. How do I do that then? Do not want to do this on stream. I need YouTube API scopes, upload, and then my YouTube client secret file, connected apps. No, privacy. How do I do that? How do I... Oh, it's that stupid. How do I... a YouTube client secret file this app? Google Cloud Project. Do I need the Google Cloud Console? Okay. You want to show that? Don't I already have stuff on there? Project drop down at the top and select new project. So yeah, I already have some stuff. I'm now 10 projects on a free subscription. Is this free, right? Is using the YouTube API free? Upload API free. For like a certain amount, I guess. Certain quotas and limits, yeah. API itself does not provide any monetization capabilities like ads. So if you plan to monetize your videos, that would need to be done separately via YouTube's partner program. I'm not a YouTube partner, yeah, anyway, so. But it's free up to a certain amount, so we should be fine for now. So what am I doing? What's your name? Automated Twitch VOD to YouTube. Twitch VOD to YouTube. Create. In the Google Cloud Console, go to the API and services. Enable the YouTube Data API version 3. YouTube Data API version 3. It's an API that provides access to YouTube data such as videos, playlists, and channels. So I also want to see if we can automatically add the videos to the right playlist. So I don't have to do that either. So I can just stream and then videos are fully uploaded. Don't have to do anything. It's the goal. And we'll see how splitting our videos into half an hour does. Enable. Okay. Create the OAuth credentials, passwords, secrets, allow the app access. Can create credentials, add API. OAuth involves user-specific data. App name and user support email. Name of the app is Python script bod load. Logo, I don't need a logo. For scopes, you can leave the default settings. Test users, add your Google account email if you're only testing. Scopes. Are they permissions of your app? So I'll just leave it for now. I don't know if I need to request additional permissions, but if it doesn't work, then come back to that. OAuth client ID. That's an ID used to identify the app. It's choose web app or Android or Chrome extension or iOS or desktop. Just a Python script, so just web app. Give it a name. Again. Which font? So Python script. Which font upload? And authorized redirect to URIs. Add the following if you're using OAuth 2.0. Use localhost 8080 is allowed. Which we are using, yeah. Download your credentials. the JSON file. Google JSON ID. This is always available for you on the credentials page, so you don't need to. Okay. Download it. So that has a list of permissions and settings, YouTube stuff. And store libraries. Haven't we already? Google API client cannot be resolved. It's Highlands. Did we install that? And then YouTube client secret file. Now, I don't want to show this. Take you over here. Downloads. I'll copy you. Move you into here. Wait, credentials.json. Oh, .json. Okay. So I've got the file in there. It's not opening up. But ignore. It's not upload it either. Credentials.json. Do not upload that file. Either. Okay. Credentials.json. Now, I don't want to show my access token here, so it's not. Go do this over here. Okay, that should be that. How can I get my Twitch access token? Stop. How can I get an access token for this app? Register your app on Twitch. Twitch developer console. Create an extension. Create Twitch extension. Or register your application. Register. Register a new application that uses the Twitch API to interact with Twitch. Okay. Python script Twitch forward to Twitch forward upload YouTube. OAuth redirect URL. So localhost. When testing locally, you can set this to localhost. Category is just app, website, app integration. Doesn't really matter. Confidential. Bad client name. Is it too long? Is it not like uppercase? Camel case. What about underscore or lowercase? Python script. Invalid client name? Why? Network. Invalid client name. Please try again. That's it. Shorter? There we go. Dashes. Shorter and dashes. Okay. You'll be provided with a client ID and client secret. I will. Manage. Client ID and then client secret. So let's go. Oh, but okay. Restart. Alright. Back. Recreate. Delete. New client ID. Let's try again. So when I delete it, that window there, let's just take this over here. It moves it back over here. Great. Let's say that. Client ID. Create new secret. Set the access. That's the access token. Pass to the token exchange endpoints to obtain a token. Wait. Is that what I want? OAuth authorization code flow for user access token. This flow is suitable if your app is interacting with the Twitch API on behalf of a specific user. Give this a... So I need my client ID, redirect URI, scopes, wait, so I need... Oh god. Need to do this first to get the access token. Wait, I can do this manually. Can I? Wait. You then redirected. When the user visits this URL, they'll be prompted to log into Twitch and give permissions for your app. That's what that pop-up that comes up. allow Twitch to interact with this. And then the code will be sent back. And then that code will be used to get the access token. Client ID, client secret. If that's successful, you'll get a refresh token. There we go. And an initial access token. Now use the access token in your API requests. So don't we want to store the refresh token? Usually stored in like browser and cookies. Does this work again? We're doing this. Have a break. Refresh token access token again. And then use that. There. Access tokens expire after a certain time, so you may need to refresh the token. You add. I'm just using a Python script, so we did something similar with the tracked API, didn't we? I did a Python script to interact with the tracked API. Get the list of like watched shows and things. Should also update this background. Rimworld. I'm just using a Python script, so should I manually hit the refresh token first, then save this refresh token to environment local file? Should we store it there? But then it's just like okay on my computer, which is not good. then you add the logic called APIs. Yeah, since you're using a Python script, the best approach is to manually get the refresh token once. And then store an environment file. Is that what we did for the other tracked API thing? We really don't want to store the refresh token locally. Put in a cookie in your browser, but it's a Python script. So I'll do that manually. Click on the Give Access button. Store the token. Refresh token in the file, environment file. And then the Python script will keep getting a new access token using that. So then it can access Twitch. Do you have a break though? Just source the refresh token, yeah. Your script will update which access token dynamically. Anyway, gonna have a break. I'll stop there for now, chat. Continue this later. Some tweet. But we've got the bulk of it done. Want to make sure the titles are correct. Adds the part number quickly in the title. And see if we can test it tonight if I can get it done on my other YouTube channel. And then we also want to get it to automatically add to the correct playlist. Okay. Set up authentication. Uploading credentials. YouTube credentials file. Okay. Stop there for now, chat. Go have a break. I'll see you later.